Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to copy Roblox games. So if you want to copy a game so you can create something from it, in this video I'll show you how it can be done. So first you have to go to a browser and after that you have to search for this specific website that I am writing for it. This website is called RBX Tools. You have to simply search for it and you will see this first link. Simply click onto it and you will get to its website. This website will help us copy the Roblox game. Once you're here, then you have to go to the Roblox. Simply search for Roblox and after that it will open. Then simply go to the game that you want to copy. It could be any game of your choice. Simply open the game profile and here you have to do a right click and then click on inspect. This option is at the bottom and this option will come up. Then you have to go to the network and then you have to do a refresh. As you do a refresh, then these options will come up. From there you have to go to the top until you see the name of your game. You have to do a right click and go to copy, and once you go to the copy further you have to go and select this power option and copy it. Simply get back to the website, scroll down and search for game copier. You will find here, click on get started, and after that you have to paste what we have copied. Once you have pasted, you have to click onto it and then it will download the game for you. The game will be downloaded in the Roblox file that you can own in the Roblox studio, and after that the game will open there. Further, if you want to do any changings there, you will be able to do it. So that's how you can copy Roblox game. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.